news from Thatta Dhabeji. One-day book festival organized by Dhabeji Press Club was held at Dhabeji Market near Press Club. There were many books like Sindhi, Urdu, Pashto. In this festival, many social, political people, teachers and citizens were participated, and they admired the Press Club and the members for this activity. In this occasion, former MP Amir Haider Shah Shirazi, former chairman UC Dhabeji, Fakir Nabi Baksh Baloch, leader of Thatta Chamber of Commerce, Jahangir Khan Mari, Labour leader Ghulam Mustafa, Osman Jalbani, Saryaz Ahmad Jokhyo, Sarfai Mansari also spoken on this occasion. In this occasion of participation, the leaders said that Books Festival is urgently at this time. Lack of education in Sindh and the innovation of internet has created new opportunities in youth, but the second thing is that the misuse of internet is harmful, and for that our young generation is moving away from books and for build the friendship with books. Therefore, book festivals should be organized everywhere. At the government level, book festivals and libraries should be set up in every city, which is an important need of the age to attract the youth.
असांजा जेका नौजवान जेको ॿिन बुराइनि तरफ़ वञनि था या पंहिंजो मोबाइल ते ज़्यादा जेको टाइम ॾियनि था, फज़ूल टाइम ॾियनि था, उनखां सुठो किताबनि में जेको सो उन मां ॼाण हासिलु कनि.
Camera team report Shahid Samooti and News Dhabeji.